Hi guys, James from Sparesbox here. As you can see, I've got 3 7-inch seal beam conversion lamps in front of me. Our mates at Narva sent us these after we gave them a bell to have a chat about the lights for our FJ Landcruiser. Now there are 3 different versions here. There's some key differences, so I'll just run you through quickly what those differences are. So the first one I've got here is your standard conversion lamp for your 7-inch seal beam lights. It's still glass, just like the factory lens will probably be. It takes a H4 globe and also has a Parker light built into it as well, should you want that. Next along here with our polycarbonate lensed lights, a more modern look. Again, these take a standard H4 globe. They have a polycarbonate lens, which is a little bit tougher. So if you intend on doing a bit of four-wheel driving, probably a better option over the glass. Finally, I've got the LED conversions here. Obviously these don't take globe of any sort. These have a polycarbonate lens as well and are fully sealed and waterproof, weatherproof. So perfect for four-wheel driving. They illuminate up to 5,000 Kelvin, giving you a bright white light. We're going to pair these with a set of Narva's Sapphire Blue 50H4 globes. These are a 5,000 Kelvin globe, which is going to give us a nice white look, as well as up to 50% more light than a conventional H4 globe. So we're going to test fit these up in our FJ45 now and see what we think of them all. If you want to get a pair of any of these for your car, head to sparesbox.com.au.